application is difficult and very important.
Yes. But it helps you a lot.
100%. Yes.
Because one is the reason why it helps you is one is you do not need any additional budget.
Yes, correct.
You do not need any approval from anyone.
True.
Any negotiation is not required. External vendors. So, some of your learnings you can start applying immediately.
Yes.
That is something which is which makes this unique. Because again, lots of initiative, what happens is budget constraint. Because of budget constraint, we can't do it. And some of the things we might need permission.
Yes, I agree.
And some of the things, what happens is we will not be able to do something because of the current political control.
True. Yes.
And all these doesn't matter. Irrespective, we can still implement within your within the current political control of your organization.
Yes. These are the small tweaks that we need to do regularly to bring up bigger change. Yeah.
Absolutely, yes.
True.
All right. Thank you so much for your time. Now, how's your learning as a whole? Now let me hear. Let me be a listener for some time.
Okay, I'll start. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, Dilip, honestly speaking, when I opted for this, I would say discussion. I told you my problem, right? I want to use this knowledge in the organization and to also make my other Scrum Masters learn how we can implement these things.
Right.
And can focus on the quality, or not quality, I would say innovation and that direction. I would say I'm taking a lot from here, and we have a direction, to where to start and where to go. And during the way, we can definitely use different matrices to inspect again if this is the direction we wanted to, and this will be reflected in the outcomes that we are getting.
Yep.
Right. So a lot of good things for me here to take 100%. Thank you so much.
Right. All right, Manal, thank you so much. And I'm glad to hear this. I think, as I mentioned earlier, yes, let's start with something.
100%.
Yes. And then let's discuss, let's come through, and then let's move forward, because everything starts with that single step. Yes.
First step is difficult. Once you get the momentum, things become easy. So probably that is where.
Yes.
Right. Sure.
All right, Manal, thank you so much. Yes. Mohammed, please go ahead.
Yes. For me, coming into this training, I was focused on learning more on outcome and innovation. And to be honest, whatever we spoke, I knew a few things, and I was also able to relate to the things actually I'm doing. So this, in fact, added a great amount of value to me. And I'm sure it's going to add a great amount of value to my organization as well, because I'm also part of the system. But this is I see this also as a stepping stone to the next level, basically, and especially you have already kindled the interest in me for talking about the Pareto analysis and the control chart. Especially the control chart is quite powerful. Trying to measure in each and every workflow, the cycle time and it's and the standard deviation.
Yes, absolutely.
It's this thing. So I will have a lot more questions then as well. So and I will have questions when I yeah, when I try to work with these things at the time. I'll definitely contact you.
Yep, definitely. Yes, you're most welcome. And thank you so much, Mohammed. Kumaran, please.
Yeah. I think after a long time, I spend my weekend in a valuable way with learning. No, quality time with family is always there, but I didn't spend much time on learnings, to be very honest. And I'm a guy like there are so many resources to learn from, especially online self-learning. But I'm not a self-learner, unfortunately. I love discussions, and that's one reason I wanted to be part of this training program. And prior to the training, there were a lot of videos shared by Nikhil. Okay. To be honest, I didn't open till the last moment. I just went through a couple of videos, and good thing is like those are only 2 minutes. Okay. And I couldn't cover everything completely, but I was happy because like I don't want to come to a session with a lot of expectations and get disappointed or something. I just wanted to keep myself blank and try to understand what you're trying to tell. So I wanted to learn that from every trainer, of course. Like so, and good thing is like when I go back, I have to unlearn a lot of things. I've learned a lot of new things, and uh, at one point I saw like there was some sync or alignment with what my philosophy or my principle is like. I always tell my management, I'm not here to sell frameworks. I'm not here to sell Scrum or Kanban or anything. So what adds value? So this is again like this is independent of frameworks. Luckily, you didn't use the framework, or this session was not based on any particular framework or scaling or non-scaling, nothing of that sort. So it is like, as I said, like you can apply it wherever, and and in between the session, you said there is no professional life or personal life, no two different things. If at all I'm not able to use this at my office space, I'll definitely try to use it in my personal space. Personal sense like family and immediate stuff. So now I understand like whether be it with my son or my wife or relations or whatever it is, like am I trying to solve a problem, fix a problem, or am I trying to add a value to my family or something like that. So I'll just try it, whatever space I get. So I'll definitely try. It was a very good learning, and some keywords and all like it's still there. So I just try to look forward and apply that and in my workspace and personal space as well. It was a real good learning. So again, learning is only a beginning, no end. So we'll see like what the other sessions are there to offer for us, and we'll take it.
Right. Thank you so much, Kumaran.